Hello students, this is question number 19 of the same chapter, same exercise of the same chapter, linear equation in one variable. So in continuation of that previous video, I will be solving the rest of the questions in this video, okay? So please be attentive to how I solve it for you. So we can see here that 3x upon x plus 6 is a kind of fraction like that. We have 2 upon 5 is a fraction. Here it is a numerator, here it is a denominator. We can consider this 3x upon x plus 6 as that of a fraction that we know of is 2 upon 5, where 2 is a numerator and 5 is a denominator. I'm just giving an example, okay? And when suppose another is like the same 3 upon 4, in this scenario, if you have the fractions with the known numbers, though here we don't have known numbers, x is a variable here. So what do we do? How do we subtract this or add this? You know this variable, right? You will find this 5 and 4. What is the LCM of this 5 and 4? You will be doing 5 times 4 is 20. You can write like this. You will divide this from this denominator, whatever the quotient comes, like 4 here will get multiplied by 2, and you will write over here, okay, 5 times 4, 4 times 2, 4 times 5 is 20, 5 times 3 is 15. Like that we do. The same thing we will do over here, okay? So let's see. So as you have an idea how to do this, how to start with this is like that. So what we are going to do is we will write the LCM of these two expressions, because these are not numbers that we can multiply and get the number, or we can find through, okay, the process of finding the LCM. So we will just multiply these two numbers, okay? So what will we write on the top here? Yes, if we divide this whole by x plus 6, what will be left out? X plus 5. So x plus 5 needs to be multiplied by this numerator, isn't it? The same thing we did in the example. Now the sign is minus, we will write minus. The numerator is x, we will write x. And what will be here? When we divide this whole by x plus 5, x plus 6 will be left. So that needs to be written down here, isn't it? Very simple. So this is the scenario in the left hand side, and the right hand side will be only the number that is written. Now calculation, you have to be very patient and very careful while doing all these calculations. Okay, distributive properties will be used here. It will give you 3x square plus 15x. Okay, here it will give you x square minus and minus 6 of x. Any problem? No. Now we can do one more thing, because we have to write this as 6 plus 5 and x multiplied by x plus 6, and it will be again 2. So why to take one more steps extra? We will do one thing. What we will do, we know that this is going to get multiplied over here. Okay, so directly we can do the same, x plus 6 into x plus 5. I think you understood this, okay? Isn't it? Now see, this will give you 2x square in simplification, and 15x plus minus 6x will give you 9 of x plus, okay? On the left hand side things are done. On the right hand side we have to do. 2 is outside, we will keep that. Now x plus 6 into x plus 5 will give you how much, you know? It will give you x square plus 11x plus 30. You can calculate. So next step will be, again we can't help doing anything on the left hand side, but here we can do 2x square plus 22 of x plus 60. Okay, this 2x square plus on the left hand side, 2x square plus on the right hand side, same number, okay, with the same sign, both the sides will be cancelled. Now here it is plus 9x, here it is plus 20x. So what we can do is here that we will bring that 22x on the left hand side to make minus 22x, and it will be 60. Nothing is left out, everything is used. Now minus 13x. Minus 13x is equal to 60, so x is going to be equal to minus of 60 by 13, which you can further write as minus 4, and then probably 8 upon 13. So this should be your answer. I hope it's the correct answer. Okay, you can check. If there is any mismatch, please write in the comment box. Let's move to the next question, question number 20. So question number 20 is 1 upon x minus 1 plus 2 upon x minus 2 is equal to 3 upon x minus 3. Okay, so how will we solve it? Yes, again, same thing we will be doing, considering this as a fraction, this as a fraction. What we can do is the same process. Okay, let's do from here. It will be, again, as I told you, that you can do one thing. You can write this x minus 1, okay, and x minus 2 in the denominator. You will divide this, then it will be x minus 2 left with, okay, you are multiplying with 1. Okay, I can write for you, no problem. 1 into x minus 2 plus 2 into x minus 2 will get cancelled. It will be x minus 1. Understood? And now, because there is only one fraction, we cannot do this kind of thing. On the right hand side, it will be 3 upon x minus 3. Now, first we will solve. What is coming over here? X minus 2 plus 2x minus 2. Isn't it? X minus 2 plus 2x minus 2 here on the top. And this is going to be the same. You can think of doing 3x square minus 3x plus 2 here. If you, this one, okay, x square minus 3x plus 2. If you expand that, okay, this is again, this will be written as it is. Okay, slowly and gradually we will move forward, being very patient. It is going to be 3x minus 4 upon x square, 3x minus 4 upon x square minus 3x plus 2, and here again it will be 3 of over x minus 3. So now we can do one thing. We can go for cross multiplication process, okay, and we can get the things easily. X minus 3 of this will get multiplied by 3x minus 4, and this 3 will get multiplied by x square minus 3x plus 2. Isn't, when you expand this, you will get 3x square, okay, and then minus 4x, again minus 9x, and then plus 4 times 3, 12. I hope you understand this. This is gonna be 3x square, because we are distributing 3 to all. 3x square minus 9x plus 6. Now you can see 3x square here plus 3x square plus 3x square here on the right hand side. So left hand side, right hand side, same terms, same thing, same number, same sign will be cancelled. We can also do one more cancellation here. This is minus 9x here and minus 9x here as well. It again will get cancelled, okay? So what is left out is minus of 4x here on the left hand side, and on the right hand side it is 6 plus, and this plus 12 we want to get transposed, okay, to the right side. So what will it give? Minus 12. So you are reaching to the answer. Okay, what is this? Minus 4 of x is equal to minus 6, which will further give you, there is not much space here, it will give you x is equal to 6 upon 4, minus will get cancelled. You can understand, which is actually 3 by 2, which can further be written as this. So this, or this is your answer for this question. Okay. So question number 20 is also done. Let's move to the question number 21. Question number 21 is like that. Again, I would suggest you to follow the previous technique used in last two questions. You can solve it. What you have to do is, because we have a single, fraction like this, one fraction here, one fraction here, you can do one thing is going to the cross multiplication method. Okay, you will have things like this: x minus 1 multiplied by 7x minus 26 is equal to x minus 3 multiplied by 7x minus 14. Now when you expand whatever you get, okay, you can easily find the answer. Okay, this, for this much of space I can write for you. It will give you how much? It will give you how much? Tell me. 7x square. If you multiply to this, it will give you minus 26 of x. Now it is going to give you minus 7x, and then minus 1 minus 26 gives you 26 plus. Easy. When you expand this, what will happen? X and 7x will give you 7x square. X and minus 14 will give you minus 14x. Minus 3 and 7x will give you minus 20x, and minus 3 to minus 14 will give you plus 42. So see, 7x squared, this will get cancelled, and everything like x terms will be here together, so that will be easy for you, right? Minus, see, 26 and 7, how much? 33. So minus 33x from here, and this all will come over there. Okay. I think this is, if you add these two, it will be 35. Yes, 35. So 35 minus here, when it is transposed, it will be plus 35 of x here, isn't it? Yes. And now what is left out? This taken, these two taken, only the numbers are left out. So 42 is here on the right hand side, and this 26 positive, when it is transposed that side, it will be minus of 26. Now you can see, very, very easy questions they are. They are just checking your patience level. Okay, 2 of x here from, and here how much? I guess 16. Yes, 16. So finally you will get x is equal to 8, and that is your answer for this question. Done. Okay, for question number 22, what you are going to do is the same process you will do. Take this left hand side terms and right hand side terms. Considering these two terms as fractions and these two terms as fractions, what we had done in the addition and subtraction of the fractions, the same thing we will be doing here. So on the left hand side, if I take, it will be what? X into x minus 1 as an LCM for these two numbers. So if I divide this by x minus 1, x is left, and x into 1 will give you only x. You can write here 1 into x. If you don't understand, again 1 will be there, and when you divide by x, it will be x minus 1. So you can write x minus 1, isn't it? So on the left hand side it is done. On the right hand side it will be x plus 3, okay, and x plus 4 inside the brackets. If you divide this, you get 1 multiplication of x plus 4 minus 1 multiplied by x plus 3. Any problem? I don't think so. Okay, now it's up to you how you solve it quickly. So it is going to be x minus of x, and then minus 1 makes it plus. Clear? It will give you x square and minus x. Here x plus 4, from here x plus 4 minus x minus 3 again upon x square plus 7x plus 12 if you calculate it. Okay, now this x and x will get cancelled, this plus x and minus x will get cancelled. So what we are going to have here, I don't have much space here downward, so you are gonna get 1 upon x square minus x from here, and on the right hand side you will get 4 plus minus 3, it is again 1 upon x square plus 7x plus 12. Now very easy, what you are going to do, you will go cross multiplication process and get the answer. Okay, so maybe if there is a space I can use here, x square plus 7x plus 12 will be equal to x square minus x, isn't it? X square from here, x square from here will get cancelled, so 7x and this minus x, when it comes up, okay, on the left hand side it will become 8x, and then this 12, if I transpose it to the right hand side, becomes minus 12. Now you can understand, okay, 8x is equal to minus 12, then what is x? Tell me. X will be minus 12 upon 8, that is minus 3 upon 2, or you can write minus 1 whole 1. This or this is your answer for this question number 22. Okay, clear? Next, let's see question number 23. Again, if you consider this whole, as a fraction, 2x upon 3, x minus 1 upon 6, 7x minus 1 upon 4. If you consider this whole, and here actually 2 whole 1 upon 6 is also a fraction having a denominator 6. Okay, first you will rewrite this question. Rewriting this question will give you like this: 7x minus 1 upon 4 and 13 upon 6. Okay, clear? So you know that the denominators are 3, 6, 4 and 6. Tell me, what is the LCM of 3, 6, 4, and again the same number 6 is that. So 3, 6 and 4. What will be the LCM? Okay, suppose you want to write 6, no problem, but we don't repeat the number, okay, to find the LCM. It will be 2 times, I will take 3, 2 and 3. Again, if you write 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12. So 12 is your LCM, right? It means we can multiply each fractions here by 12. Okay, each of the left hand side, each of the right hand side, or you can take as a whole of L left hand side and multiply this by 12 here, and this also multiplied by 12. Scenario will be the same. So I am going to multiply each of the fraction by 12. Okay, so what will it give you? Think. It will give you 12 multiplied by 2x upon 3 minus 12 multiplied by x minus 1 upon 6 plus 12 multiplied by 7x minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 12 multiplied by 13 upon 6. So why do we take this process? So that we don't have anything in the denominator. Everything is a kind of whole number. Okay, see what will happen. Denominator will be 1 everywhere. 3 times 4. 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 4 times 1, 4 times 3, 6 times 1, 6 times 2. So if the denominators are 1 everywhere, we are not going to write any number in the form of fractions. Okay, so it will give you 8 of x from here minus 2 times x minus 1, right? So we will be careful here. Though we can multiply 2 minus 2x and then plus 2, because minus sign here is for both. Okay, 2 and x minus 1. Okay, but being careful, you can write things as it is inside the bracket. That will help you a lot. This is going to be 26. No matter, it takes one step extra, but at least your answer will be correct. Okay, and you won't be confused. Minus 2x and then plus 2 is coming from here. Here 27x and then minus 3 is coming from here, 26. So where are the x terms? This one, and this one. 21 is plus, and then 8, 29. 29 minus 2 gives you 27 of x, and then the numbers plus 2 minus 3 makes it minus 1, and when it goes over there, 26 plus 1. Okay, so you know that x is equal to 27 upon 27, that is equal to 1, and that is your answer. Okay, so it was very easy. Okay, in question number 24, it is said that solve this, which is equal to 0, hence find the value of p if 3p minus 2x plus 1 is 0. So we are going to do two tasks actually. From here, from this we will find out what is the value of x, and then putting the value of x here in this equation we will find what is the value of p. Okay, so let's start. Again, as I told you that whenever you have the fraction form of the expression, you will do one thing, you will find the LCM of this and multiply all sides, okay, with that LCM. So LCM of 5 and 3 is how much, tell me? Yes, 15. So we are going to multiply all terms by 15. Okay, so we are going to write like this: 7 minus x upon, okay, 3, and then, okay, you can write here, it was a 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 by 3, right? So 13 by 3 will get multiplied by 15, and anything that you multiplied by 0, it becomes 0 only. Clear? We can write 0 multiplied by 15, but what will it give? It will give you 0. Okay, you want me to write? Right, no problem. It will be cancelled out, giving you 3. It will be cancelled out, giving you 5. Here again it will be 5. Okay, if you want to write 1, write. If you don't want to write, don't write. There is no such big deal. Okay, so it will be 3 times 4 minus 3x plus 5, 7 minus x plus 13 times 5 is 65 is equal to 0. Clear? Now expand it. It will be 12 minus 9x plus 35 minus 5x. Be careful, okay? Be very much careful in doing expansion, especially with signs. So minus 9x minus 5x is how much? Minus 14x. And the numbers are very big. 65 plus 35 is 100. And this 12, that is 112, is equal to 0. So you can think, okay, 14x is equal to 112. So what will be the value of x? X will be 112 by 14. I think 8 times. Yes, 8 times. X is equal to 8. Okay. Now see, they are saying that find value of p if this is this. So this will be the second part, that you have to put there 3p minus 2x plus 1 is 0. Okay. Now putting x is equal to 8 in this what equation, okay, what will happen? You will get 3 times p minus 2 times 8 plus 1, that is equal to 0. You just have to find out what is the value of this p. 3 times p will be, see, from here you are getting minus 16, and then plus 1 will give you minus 15. So minus 15, if I take it to the right hand side, it will be plus 15. Okay, because you are in 8, you can do this kind of things directly, no problem. You have to be habituated, because later on in class 11 or 10 you can skip 1 or 2 unnecessary steps. Okay, so p is equal to 5. Now this is the answer for p, and this is the answer for x. Okay, I hope you understand. Question number 25 is very easy. Okay, again, because in this fraction form, x is the only number that is there on the denominator side. So x will be your LCM, right? So you are going to do nothing, multiplying each terms by x. What will happen if you multiply each term by x? It will be this, and this will be the only number, because if you multiply by x, x will get cancelled, and now here it will be 0.9x. Clear? So this is one thing you had to do, and now you know what to do next. I think 0.9x minus this you can write 0.9x minus 0.25x is equal to 1.95, and calculation is to be done. So suppose this is 0.9065, I guess, yes. So 0.65x will be equal to 1.95. Further, if you move on, x will be equal to 195 upon 65. What I did, I just multiplied both the sides by 100, so decimals got removed. And now, yes, 13 times 5, 13 times 1, 13, and then 6, 13 times 5. This it is giving you this. The value of x is going to be how much? 3, and that is your answer. Very easy. Now 26, the last question of this exercise, I guess. Yes, it is looking tough, right? But it is not. See, 5x minus 4x, this and that. So first we will do is we will solve what is there in the inside this bracket. Okay, let's start. 5x minus, do you think what it is going to be equal to? Okay, I will write 7 here. 7 times 4 will be 28 of x plus 5x minus 4. Because there is a sign plus here, so we can be free from any kind of confusion. We will write as it is what is there in the numerator. So I did, okay, is equal to, yes, we can't help here, we will write whatever is there on the right hand side. Okay, now we can see here that 7 is a denominator in one of the fraction form of the number, and there is 3 to 7. 3 will give you LCM as 21. So why not we multiply all the terms by 21? Okay, so okay, we will do that. 21 times 5x minus, if we multiply by 21, what will be the number left? 3. So we will get 3 from here, which will get multiplied by what is there inside the bracket on the numerator side. Okay, so it is 33x minus 4. This was what is written. Okay, if we solve it, it will be 33x minus 4. And if we multiply the whole by 21, it will give you 3. Okay, like 21 upon 7 is 3, so 3 will get multiplied by this. I hope you understand. When we multiply this whole by 21, 7 will be there on the top, and then 4x minus 14. Try to understand, okay? You should be habituated of understanding things in a little bit difficult situation. Now this is 105 of x minus, multiply this 99 of x minus plus, sorry, minus plus 12. Clear? Up to now it is clear. Now from here it will be 28 of x, that means plus, and then minus of multiply this 98. Okay, now x terms are this one, and this one. Clear? So from here only you are going to get how much? 6. Yes, 6x, and then this one is going to be here minus 20x. 6x minus 28x is equal to minus of 98, and then this number only minus 12. Okay, so this is gonna be minus of 22x, and here it is gonna be minus of 110. So minus from here, minus from there will get cancelled, and x will be equal to, here I will write x is gonna be equal to 110 upon 22. That will be equal to 5, and that's your answer. Okay, I tried my level best to make things easy for you for this exercise. Maybe if exercise 14b or 14.2, whatever it is, I didn't see the book, is required and important, I'll be making videos on that as well. Please keep watching. And if you have any difficult questions, uh, like outside the book or anything that you want to ask me, you are very much free. Just use my WhatsApp number and send that to me. I will try my level best to clear your doubts. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.